In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to walk through how to get set up in Google Meet and choose the OBS virtual camera as your video source so your meeting shows exactly what you've prepared in OBS. I'll keep it clear and simple, and along the way I'll share a few practical tips to make everything run smoothly. Start by opening Google Meet in your desktop browser. If you can, use a modern browser like Chrome for the best compatibility. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to use for the call. When the page loads, check that your browser has permission to use your camera and microphone. If you see a prompt asking to allow access, click Allow so Meet can preview your video. This will help you confirm that your device is recognized before you dive into settings. Next, look for the Add button on the Meet landing page. Click it to move into the meeting setup area. Depending on your layout, this can appear as a plus icon or a clearly labeled button, but the idea is the same. You're entering the space where you can configure your video before joining. You should see a preview window and a small toolbar that lets you adjust things without turning on your camera to everyone just yet. Now, open the video settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the gear icon or a settings option near the preview. Inside settings, switch to the video section. This is where Google Meet lists all available cameras on your system, and it's the place you'll use to point Meet to your OBS output. If the menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list of devices. From the camera drop-down, select OBS Virtual Camera. Make sure OBS Studio is open on your computer and that its virtual camera feature is running, because Meet only shows it when OBS has made it available. Once you select it, glance at the preview to confirm you're seeing your OBS scene exactly as intended. If the image looks cropped or low resolution, adjust your canvas size and output settings inside OBS, then return to Meet and check again. Remember that your microphone is configured separately in the audio section of settings, so pick the mic you want there. If you don't see OBS Virtual Camera in the list, try refreshing the page or restarting your browser after starting the virtual camera in OBS. That's it. You've opened Google Meet, moved into Setup, opened Video Settings, and chosen OBS Virtual Camera. You're now ready to join your meeting with a polished, professional video feed powered by OBS.